Hey there guys, I'm going to give you right now the quick comparison between the Gemini and Gemini Advanced. Like what are the main differences between these two? So the Gemini is like the base version. It generates various creative text formats. You can have like codes, scripts, etc. And it got also the answer complex open-ended questions, and it can summarize the topics. So this is like free for everybody. This is like really simple. Write me a diet plan, vegan, 2000 calories a day without tofu, right? And it's going to do it for you. Now then with the Gemini Advanced, which is like advanced now right now, so the thing is it got really better reasoning and problem solving. It excels in a complex coding tasks. It got better understanding of text formats, and you can integrate it with drafting emails, like let's say in Gmail with Google Tools. So this is good, like upload Google Docs, PDFs, and more summaries, answers, and feedback. So this is really great. And now you can have also the 2 terabytes of storage from Google One. So that's really good. You can have like access to experts from all Google products and share it with up to 5 family members. So this is great. So you can just like share it with others. And then of course you can have like €0 for the first month that you don't have, for example, with ChatGPT. And now, so if you're looking for complex needs, advanced coding, then also nuanced creativity and Google One benefits, then go with the Google Advanced. Is like first month completely for free that you can test it out for yourself. So if you want to generate like with the PDFs, Google Docs that you want to use for also for coding, then Gemini Advanced is much better comparing to just Gemini default. So thank you very much and have a great day and goodbye.